Well, hello. Thank you for checking out this video again. This is an update on my solo project I've been working on in Unity. I think I've been making some pretty good progress. So as far as how things have been going, it's been a challenge, but it's been pretty good though. I'm back on the learning track, trying to get things moving forward. Just ready to get this going and really just start a career in game development. So I guess we'll go ahead and go in. This is where we've been so far. So from looking at this here, last we left, or last I updated, I had just gotten, um, I had just gotten the ball rolling and moving, and I currently, or rather, I went through and I added this little power up effect here, increases the jump. Got the teleport working last time, and then I added this exit area, which leads to a different level. It hadn't been really built out. It's just a duplicate of this. It's a duplicate of the level we were seeing. So I think just to play. I added some audio as well. Let's see how that works out. Hope it's not too loud on the video, but simple. So we go roll around. This is the basic, right? Jump there. Teleport over here. The camera had some issues, some jittering. I think I gotta fix that in my late update. So you make it across, and then come in through here, and you transfer over to another. So the power up, and it makes you jump a little higher. Go over the wall there. Here, I don't have the exit set up yet, but overall, this is bare bones at the beginning, and I like it. My mouse sensitivity is still a little high, probably just that. I have a space to adjust it. Outside of that, um, making progress a little bit. As you heard, there was actually music playing, which that worked okay. Um, there's a jingle I'm going to add once you go through the gate, and I'm adding an audio manager so that way I can have my music playing continuously from section to section instead of having to cut and restart the song for the music. Outside of that, it's been a blast. I'm enjoying it. I'm having fun. Another update coming out pretty soon, and we'll see how this goes. As far as the music on there, it's all custom music. Don't want copyright issues. My wife and I have been making these, and yeah, they're coming out pretty good. So yeah, just one more time. So I think it's pretty cool. So start through. Like I said, I have my power up. It's ready. Power up there. I'll have a sound effect for that. Add light for the jump. Go through. I make it in here. The camera does work, or moving rather works based on the camera, so I'm holding W down. So I got that going. Oh, okay, and here we go. Next area stops. Power up again. Keep going across here, and then we finish off in here, and it goes away. Yeah, that's I'm enjoying it. It's always, definitely very appreciative of just hanging out and just listening. Even um, yeah, this is pretty much it. I'm excited. Another update coming out soon. Appreciate it.